absolutely crazy. We are literally in the middle of a forest right now. If you look at a map, there is literally nothing around us at all. Just woods. Ava, you like it? Yeah. It's different, right? Guys, it gets really, really cold out here.
Really cold.
I mean, not really, really cold, but I mean, it's chilly enough.
It's probably about 75.
I know. It feels colder than that. I think it's all the trees and the clouds, but hopefully the sun stays out. So anyway, we made it to Lake George.
Yeah.
Feels like Pennsylvania?
She's really cold, and she has pants on.
Hey guys, look at the turtle.
Aww.
Ava, you see the turtle? I don't know if you guys on camera can see that, but there is a turtle sunbathing on a tree stump.
Save the turtles, guys.
Yes, save the turtles, right?
Sure.
Take up your trash, right, Ava?
Yeah.
Submerged objects, aquatic habitat.
And the manatees.
Oh yeah, and the manatees. Oh, we should see some manatees while we're out here.
This is where dogs fall, right?
Look at the water. It's starting to clear up.
Yeah. Oh my God, look at how it's just turning. At all. Oh my gosh, yeah, man, you can't save anyone. That's my fear.
Guys, take a look at this water.
Brought you back? Yeah, good.
See, he's not afraid.
Because I almost died here.
Ava, what do you think? This is beautiful, right?
So yesterday I chipped my tooth and I was like figuring out like how am I gonna do this, but I think I've got the hang of it now, biting on.
All right, well that's good.
Good thing the tooth that still needs to come out is pretty loose.
All right, guys, so this is why we do this. This is why we explore Florida waterways. Don't you agree, Rob?
Yes, that's right.
Man, you look weird with those things on. Let me see that look again. Actually, that look looks kind of pretty. It looks pretty good on you, actually. That look.
Me and Bob are matching.
Yeah, you guys are definitely matching. Let's see these sand shark goggles. Those are sweet. You sound like a manatee. Actually, no, they tick, right?
What?
Manatees. No, dolphins do. I don't know.
Yeah, dolphhin.
What kind of noise does
I
a
like
manatee
that
make?
mask over there that he's wearing.
We
that
were talking
alien.
about saving the turtles coming in because we saw them.
Yep.